Interested in becoming a stock market millionaire? Here's precisely the monthly investment amount you'll require. Welcome to Everyday Elevate. Today we'll delve into the intriguing world of stock market wealth building. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need a hefty bank balance to embark on this journey to financial success. We'll explore the fundamental principle that choosing the right investments is pivotal in safeguarding and growing your capital. Throughout this discussion, we'll highlight the significance of informed decision-making in the realm of stock market investments. By carefully selecting where to allocate your funds, you can mitigate risks and maximize potential returns. Furthermore, we'll reveal a groundbreaking concept. With just a modest commitment of a few $100s per month, you can set yourself on the trajectory towards achieving millionaire status. Yes, you heard that right. The path to wealth accumulation in the stock market may be more attainable than you think. So, if you've ever dreamed of financial freedom and prosperity, join us as we uncover the strategies and insights that could revolutionize your approach to investing. Stay tuned for an enlightening journey towards unlocking the secrets of stock market success. Before we dive into the depths of this video, I encourage you to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Let us know which topics you're eager to explore in future videos. Your feedback fuels our content, so hit that thumbs up button and start typing away. Contrary to popular belief, one need not be a seasoned expert in stock market intricacies to set sail towards the coveted shores of financial abundance. Armed with a strategic approach and a willingness to learn, even the most novice of investors can dare to dream of amassing a fortune surpassing the $1 million mark. As we embark on this exhilarating journey, two pivotal steps emerge as guiding beacons illuminating the path ahead. Firstly, selecting the right investment opportunities lays the groundwork for success. With a discerning eye and thorough research, investors can identify promising avenues poised for growth and prosperity. Moreover, steadfast commitment to consistent investments over time serves as the cornerstone of wealth accumulation. By nurturing a disciplined approach and diligently allocating resources towards investment endeavors, individuals pave the way towards achieving the coveted $1 million milestone. The investments you choose are not just transactions, they're the building blocks of your financial future. Selecting the right investments is akin to charting the course for your portfolio's success. Opting for ill-informed choices can lead to a bumpy ride, where losses overshadow gains and erode your hard-earned wealth. However, there's a beacon of hope. Amidst the uncertainty of the stock market, robust stocks from financially sound companies. These stocks serve as the bedrock of enduring wealth creation. They boast a solid foundation built upon robust business fundamentals, including strong financial health, visionary leadership, and a competitive edge in their respective industries. In times of market turbulence, stocks grounded in strong fundamentals act as steadfast anchors. While short-term volatility may cause fluctuations, these stocks have the resilience to weather storms and emerge stronger. Moreover, they have a proven track record of delivering positive long-term returns, making them invaluable assets in your investment arsenal. By strategically allocating a larger portion of your portfolio to these stalwart stocks, you not only mitigate risks, but also fortify the security of your investments. In essence, investing in strong fundamentals is akin to laying down sturdy foundations for a skyscraper. It ensures stability and resilience even in the face of adversity. Devoting ample time and effort to meticulously researching individual stocks can potentially unlock a treasure trove of higher returns over the expansive horizon of the long term. However, it's essential to acknowledge that not everyone possesses the luxury of bandwidth or inclination to delve into the labyrinthine complexities of stock selection. And frankly, that's perfectly understandable, given the multifaceted demands of modern life. In such scenarios where time is a scarce commodity, and the intricacies of stock analysis seem daunting, it's prudent to explore alternative investment avenues that offer simplicity without compromising on potential returns. Enter the exchange-traded fund, ETF, a versatile investment vehicle that serves as a beacon of diversification and accessibility in the vast expanse of the financial landscape. An ETF functions as a conduit, consolidating a diverse array of stocks, spanning industries and sectors, into a single, easily manageable fund. By investing in a solitary ETF, investors gain exposure to a broad spectrum of stocks, mitigating the risks inherent in single stock investments while maximizing opportunities for growth and stability. Among the plethora of ETF options available, one stalwart choice stands head and shoulders above the rest: the S&P 500 ETF. This venerable investment vehicle mirrors the performance of the S&P 500 index, a barometer of the stock market's health and vitality, comprising an illustrious lineup of approximately 500 stocks drawn from the crème de la crème of American corporations. The allure of the S&P 500 ETF lies not only in its simplicity, but also in its unwavering track record of delivering consistent, robust return. Happy investing!